Hello and welcome. You're watching Rajya Sabha TV. Let's have a look at the top headlines in Rajya Sabha news. Despite Chairman's assurance of allowing discussion on all issues, disruptions by members derailed proceedings in Rajya Sabha. The House conducts formal business. Various ministers table papers pertaining to their ministries. And the Standing Committee on Health presents report on the National Medical Commission's Bill 2017, recommends implementation of measures by state government to enhance capacity of healthcare professionals. A top story. Proceedings of the upper house were stalled on Wednesday for the 13th day in a row as members protested over several issues. The disruptions continued despite Chairman's assurance to allow discussion on all issues. The government also agreed for discussion on all the issues raised by the members in the upper house.
As soon as Rajya Sabha convened on Wednesday, members of the TDP and KVP Ramachandra Rao of the Congress raised the demand of special status for Andhra Pradesh. The DMK and the AIADMK demanded the constitution of the Kaveri Water Management Board. Amid the noisy scenes, leader of opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad sought a discussion on the atrocities on scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities. Azad also demanded a discussion on the statement of External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj on the killing of 39 abducted Indians in Iraq. Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu asked the leader of opposition to give notice for discussion under the relevant rules.
SC, ST atrocities बिल था जिसमें प्रोटेक्शन मिलती थी शेड्यूल कास्ट को और शेड्यूल ट्राइब को नहीं वो बहुत जरूरी है। आप नोटिस सरकार ने उसकी पैरवी नहीं की है, उस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए, उस पर चर्चा होनी चाहिए। और दूसरा, कल फॉरेन मिनिस्टर ने यहाँ स्टेटमेंट दिया, और पिछले साल उन्होंने दूसरा स्टेटमेंट दिया, उस पर भी चर्चा होनी चाहिए।
Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs Vijay Goyal reiterated that the government was ready to discuss all issues and urged members to allow the House to function.
ग्रेच्युटी अमेंडमेंट बिल है, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ करप्शन बिल है, दोनों बिलों में क्या हुआ? और सरकार क्या है? ये नाराबाजी केवल सरकार की नहीं, विपक्ष की भी ये जिम्मेदारी है कि सदन चले। पिछले 2 सप्ताह के जनता की
Chairman Naidu also assured the members that a discussion on all issues will be allowed.
I can only say you can go to your respective seats and raise the issue. I am willing to permit everything.
But protesting members refused to relent, and as Congress members walked into the well of the House, Chairman Naidu adjourned the House till Thursday.
The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. tomorrow.
Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu already held talks with several party leaders to end the ongoing stalemate in Parliament. His efforts were also acknowledged by the opposition parties. Now that the government has clarified that the Parliament session will not be curtailed, it remains to be seen how the deadlock is resolved. Reporting from Parliament with camera person Jitendra Negi, I'm Kriti Mishra for Rajya Sabha Television.
Well, despite disruptions, formal business was conducted in Rajya Sabha. Ministers laid papers pertaining to the ministries on the table.
Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Arun Jaitley, Finance Minister.
I rise to lay on the papers on the table of the House mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business.
Sri Dharmendra Pradhan.
Sir, with your permission, I raise to lay the papers on the table of the House listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
मती से आज दिनांक 21/3/18 की पुनरीक्षित कार्य सूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 3 पर उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करें।
Dr. Mahesh Sharma.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in today's list of business.
Sri Kiran Rijiju.
On behalf of Honourable Minister of State for Home Affairs and Sports, I rise to lay on the table of the House a copy of papers mentioned against his name at serial number 5 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Hansraj Gangaram Ahir.
महोदय, मैं अपने नाम के सामने आज के पुनरीक्षित कार्यसूची की क्रम संख्या 6 में उल्लेखित पत्रों की एक प्रति सभापति पर रखता हूं।
Sri Kiran Rijiju.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 7 in today's revised list of business.
Sri P.P. Chaudhary.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri C.R. Chaudhary, I lay on the table of the House the paper listed against his name at serial number 8 of the today's revised list of business.
Well, the ministers also made statement on the floor of the House.
Statement by Minister Sri Kiran Rijiju.
Sir, I rise to make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 203rd report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs on border security, capacity building and institutions.
Sri C.R. Chaudhary.
Sir, with your kind permission, I may be permitted to make the statement on behalf of Sri C.R. Chaudhary because some directions are there that only the minister can make the statement. So with the permission of the chair, I may be permitted to make the statement.
Please.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri C.R. Chaudhary, Minister of State in the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, I make a statement regarding status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 134th report of the Standing Committee on Commerce on the action taken by the government on the recommendations observation contained in the 130th report of the Committee on Industrial Policy in the Changing Global Scenario pertaining to the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Commerce and Industry.
The Standing Committee on Health presented its much-awaited report on National Medical Commission Bill 2017 on Tuesday. Noting that every state has its own specific healthcare challenges, the panel recommended that state government may implement measures to enhance the capacity of existing healthcare professionals and include Ayush practitioners, BSc nursing, BDS, B-Pharma and other practitioners to address their specific primary healthcare issues in the rural areas.
A Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare tabled its report on the National Medical Commission Bill 2017 in Parliament on Tuesday. The committee, chaired by Ram Gopal Yadav, recommended quashing the provision of exit exam or the National Licentiate Examination by MBBS graduates to get practicing licenses in the country.
हम एग्जिट एग्ज़ाम फाइनल एमबीबीएस पास होने के बाद करते तो उसमें बहुत बड़ी परेशानी ये होती है कि वो पास तो हो गया फाइनल एमबीबीएस लेकिन प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकता जब तक के लाइसेंशिएट एग्ज़ाम पास ना करे। तो उसके 4.5 साल का क्या हुआ जो उसने मेडिकल कॉलेजेस जो गवर्नमेंट ने ही सैंक्शन किए हैं उसका क्या होगा। इसलिए हमने ये सुझाव दिया है कि वह फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन के एग्ज़ाम से ही संलग्नित किया जाए ताकि उनका भी नुकसान ना हो।
The committee also said that the bridge course proposed in the NMC bill to allow practitioners of alternative medicines such as homeopathy and Ayurveda to practice allopathy should not be made a mandatory provision.
Bridge course का इसमें पहले इसमें प्रावधान किया था तो हमने भी स्टैंडिंग कमेटी से कहा कि ये सही है, ग्रामीण लोगों तक के ये सुविधाएं पहुंच नहीं रही है, इसलिए उसमें कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग करके स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपने क्योंकि हर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट अलग अलग है उस हिसाब से जैसे कि महाराष्ट्र में आज भी आयुर्वेदिक प्रैक्टिशनर्स को एलोपैथी अलाउड है वैसे ही होम्योपैथी के लिए भी एक कोर्स तैयार किया है उस मुताबिक कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग जो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके लिए जो भी वो चाहते हैं उस तरीके से स्टेट राज्य करे ऐसा स्टैंडिंग कमेटी तरफ से सिफारिश की गई हुई है।
The committee has also supported the formation of an independent tribunal to address the grievances of the patients and said that the Ethics and Medical Registration Board should be chaired by a High Court retired judge.
चेयरमैन हो वह एक जज रहे और बाकी सब मेंबर्स पेशेंट के जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स है सोशल सिटीजनशिप फोरम है पेशेंट्स फोरम है उनके भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वहाँ रहना ज़रूरी है और इसलिए एक अलग बोर्ड भी हमने सुझाव किया है।
The committee has proposed a minimum compulsory period of domestic medical service for those who study in tax-funded government colleges. The committee has recommended 1 year of rural posting for all doctors. The committee has also favoured a separate test for doctors who come back after studying medicine abroad. It has also asked the government to regulate fee for at least 50% of the seats in private medical colleges, deemed universities and deemed to be universities. This is Panchanan Mishra's report for Rajya Sabha TV.
Well, that's all in Rajya Sabha News. Thank you for watching Rajya Sabha TV.